Good morning. Today is 9/6/2024. And would you look at that? It's another Friday. It is currently 23 degrees Celsius. That is 73 degrees where I'm at. The high is going to be 82 degrees, which is 28 degrees Celsius for those in the other parts of the world. It's partly cloudy, so the sun is shining. The clouds are moving around, so it's kind of in and out with the sunshine. And there's zero chance of rain. So that's good. So it's going to be nice. Very nice today. And so, with that being said, what I'm thinking about today is music. And new music is always going to be on the way. And I had to take a little time to figure out what direction I wanted to go and what exactly I was going to do. And now I'm able to concentrate on what exactly I want to do next for the new release. So I'll be deciding on the magnitude of that. Is it going to be one song, two songs, three songs, etc.? Obviously, the more songs that I try to put out, the longer it takes. And so that's what I'm in the middle of kind of filling out. Do I want to take longer to do something, or do I want to shorten it and release it? And I'm dealing with technical issues from the alien abduction that I was abducted by aliens. And if you've been following me, then you know that. And so, when you're abducted by aliens, you don't travel through time necessarily, but you travel through different dimensions, and that has its effects on a person, And then there's the time factor, which is different for humans than it is aliens. For us humans that are abducted, our time span and timeline remains the same. We still age while we're abducted. And, they probably have the technology to freeze someone and keep them from aging, but they don't do that for some reason. So it's like I time traveled from year 2000 to the 2020s. But I didn't really time travel because I still am older. I guess that's if they return somebody, they want them to, be in line with what their age is supposed to be, because it'd be kind of odd if I was abducted by aliens and then showed up the same age I was when I was abducted, right? Which that may be the case for some people who are abducted. They show up and all of a sudden they're the same person they were when they were abducted. Anyway, it can come in many different forms and shapes. And, I don't claim to know all the ins and outs of what and why they do stuff like that, but they do it. And I'm here to tell you that they do it. I'm living proof of alien abduction. And so with that being said, also, if you were making music in the year 2000, right, the equipment that you used was quite different than the equipment you have now. So, for example, an MPC 60 Mark II, a drum machine, sampling drum machine, very popular in hip hop, had it had 13-second sampling, and you could get your chip and increase the memory to twice that, which would be 26 seconds of sample time, meaning you had 26 seconds to use for your music, your drums, a sample, a bass, 26 seconds. You had to divide 26 seconds up into all of your pieces of sound and then engineer your song with 26 seconds of sampling. Okay. So now that's virtually unlimited. You know, I mean, you could take whole songs and chop them up, take another song, chop it up, put it together, chop it up. You know, okay, so, you know, that gives you an idea of what maybe I'm dealing with being abducted by aliens around 2000. So, anyway, it's Friday. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. See you on live soon.